This is hooking up a drill press forward and reverse with a 10K potentiometer for speed control using a cheap eBay Haunyang VFD. The Haunyang model is HYD02D223B. The parameters for setting up are as you see on the paper here. R and S would be the terminals for the input voltage, and U, V, W are the output terminal voltages that go to the motor. You can see parameter 13 will set, if you set it on 8, it'll go to the factory defaults. You should do that if you think there's any change in the parameters. You can also go down to program it, follow these directions. For the external switch, you have those terminals, and for the external potentiometer, you have those terminals. You have to short jumpers 1 and 2 under V1 VR. The terminals are on the green for the controls, both the potentiometer and the external switch, and then the ones in the back here are for the larger ones are for the voltages for the input and output, single phase in, 3-phase out. The terminals will be configured such as these, whereas R and S 220 single phase in, UVW goes to the motor, 3-phase. The terminals for the 10K pot, the variable lead would be V1, the common is ACM, and the 10-volt power supply would be the other. For the switch, you have forward, reverse, and DCM. This is what you'd find in the book for the basic wire diagram for this particular unit. And now we'll turn it on, and you'll see once the switch goes on, it'll light up. The 220 will go to the channels, goes up, and then now to turn the switch on, and you can see the drill press running, and then we'll take the 10K pot and slow it down. And this is an on-off on switch, so now we'll shut it off, and we'll turn it the other way, and it goes into reverse and off. I hope this will be helpful.